Hi guys, so I wanted to just share with you about this book that I'm reading called The Richest Man in Babylon, and I'll show it right here. This is really a great book, and I highly recommend that you get it. It is, a book about just about being wealthy, becoming wealthy, having the desire to become wealthy. And right now I'm on the third chapter, not quite finished with it, but just a little bit about the second chapter was just about a man who he went to this one guy who he had already acquired wealth, and basically he asked him for advice and how he became wealthy, and basically the guy gave him his advice, and of course the guy, he made mistakes, the one guy who was inquiring about how this one guy became wealthy, but of course, he made mistakes like, we all tend to do, but he learned from those mistakes. And, this is just really a good book because it just tells about wealth and, what you need to do to acquire wealth, and just how your mindset really needs to be in order to, get to a state where you really want to be wealthy, where you really want to be financially free. So it's really a good book. I highly recommend that you go and get it. You can buy it. I got mine from the library, but it's just really a good book. If you are just looking for just a mindset change, over the last 3 months, like, I have gotten into network marketing, and I have just been learning all that I can, because my desire is to be wealthy. My desire is to be financially free. So I'm just taking advantage of all the opportunities that I can and all the resources that are out there, just to gain all the knowledge that I can, to have a mindset change, to become wealthy, to become financially free. A lot of times when you are poor or you don't have a lot, when you start to get money, you start to just spend it on everything that you couldn't get before, everything that you might have needed, everything that you might have wanted. But truly to become wealthy, you have to have a mindset change. Things have to be your mind has to totally change in how you see money and how you view wealth, how you view money. So I highly recommend you go get this book. And, like I said, if you're interested in an opportunity to become wealthy, to become financially free, go ahead and click the link below. I am on my way to a journey of financial freedom. And, I'm definitely looking for team members and people to get on board with me, who want to come with me. So I'm just sucking up all the knowledge that I can, just to make it happen. Like I said, you need a mindset change. If you're just still in that mindset of just, all I have is just my job. All I have is just to be able to work the 9 to 5, paycheck to paycheck. Oh, I can't. And if you have still all the excuses, you won't make it. You have to have a mindset to want better, in this life. And there is so many money making opportunities out here, especially in the network marketing field. So I just highly recommend, you just get on board and, get knowledgeable about all the different things that are out there. If you're looking for a great opportunity to start off with, click the link below, send me over email, find me on Facebook. I'll be happy to share the opportunity that I am currently in on my financial freedom journey. But I just wanted to share this video really quick with you guys. And like I said, go ahead and get this book. It's again called The Richest Man in Babylon by George S. Clayson. It's just really good. So until next time, you guys have a great day. Bye bye.